Hey guys, welcome to creativesoftz. Today I'm going to unbox the latest POCO C3 by Xiaomi. Also, I'm giving away this particular Strontium PenDrive Turbo. Okay, and it's a brand new USB Type C. It's one of the fastest pen drive. Link in the description. Make sure you subscribe this particular channel. Okay, let's unbox this. Let's go and cut off the seal. So these are basic information. Phone is available for around 8,000 on Flipkart. So I just got this particular phone on Flipkart. So let's unbox this. So this comes with a 4.3-inch LCD display. Comes with a 400 nits of brightness. Its weight is around approximately 194 grams. So let's see what else is in the box. So here we have a brand new phone, which we'll check it later. There is a nice kind of a cutout in the box. I like when companies give special attention to the unboxing experience. And let's see what's inside the box. Okay, we just get the manual and that's it, guys. I mean, why do we even give this manual in 2020? So we get this basic 10 watt car charger and some typical branding. So I mean, I recommend using a fast charger for this. And one of the most disappointing things what companies do, even under a sub 10k, I mean, you cannot complain, is they give you this micro USB. I mean, who does this in 2020? So let's remove the wraps and let's see if I can get this. Let's see what's there on the back. Let's peel off this particular sticker. So I recommend putting this particular sticker at the back of your case. So I like this particular finish, it's nice subtle POCO branding. Let's be silent and just listen to this. I like this particular satisfying kind of a noise. Let's see how the display reacts, and it's a nice display. Let's reboot it. By that time I will tell you the specs of this particular display. It is 6.4-inch LCD display. It's a 720 display, nothing so great about it. And this is almost like one of the most premium sort of a phone. So let's see if my knife can do anything. So let me just scratch it over here. Let me just look at. It's a nice screen. Comes with panda glass. I have no idea what this panda glass is. Let me just scratch it at the camera bump. There are no scratches. I don't know what sort of a thing what they have done. By the way, this phone comes with a 3 GB RAM and 32 GB of storage. You can get even the 64 6 GB, but I don't recommend that. Comes with a MIUI 12. Out of the box it comes with the Android 10 update. I hope Xiaomi will update this particular software. And let's see what else we got. Let us choose the region. So this phone also comes with a 5000 milliamp power battery, and let's see if how's that small tiny drop test. So yeah, let's see if it breaks, it breaks, guys. Okay, basically this is a phone for those who are looking for upgrade from their typical old phone. Mind you, this phone doesn't come with a fingerprint scanner and doesn't come with a bloatware what Xiaomi have. So I recommend only for those people who are on extremely tight budget and those who are looking for maybe like a secondary phone. So anyways, if you like this particular video, hit that particular like button, guys, and subscribe to my channel and share it with those people who are looking to purchase the smartphone in 2020. So see you in my next video. And one more thing is this comes with the MediaTek Helio G35. chipset, which is not all that great for gaming. Overall, it's a excellent phone, guys. So thanks for watching my video, and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon.